What causes students to be struggling with maths? Students with dyslexia, dyscalculia, dyspexia, attention difficulties, anxiety, can be visual processing, etc.
There are some students who do not study. For them, study is inversely proportional to the number of days left for the exam, where कल से पढ़ेंगे remains constant.
પપ્પા મારા રામાનુજન ને મા શકુંતલા દેવી બંને વચ્ચે થાય છે મારી હાલત જોવા જેવી. બાત ભરીને વહાલ કરીને બોલે વેણ મીઠા, હળવેથી મારા કાનમાં બોલે સાઈન થીટા કોસ થીટા.
પપ્પા મારા કિરણભાઈ અને મમ્મી રેખાબેન વ્યાસ, બહેન મારી બિંદુ જેને રમવા મળે કંપાસ. પ્રતિજ્ઞા, પક્ષ, સાધ્ય અને સાબિતી એમ ક્રમમાં વાત કરાવે અને જો ભૂલ્યા તો કાટખૂણે છેદી સામેના કર્ણ પકડાવે.
લંબચોરસ ઓરડામાં એક સમય ઘૂંટાય છે. વક્રરેખાઓ ક્ષણોની શ્વાસમાં છેદાય છે. શક્યતાનું એક પણ વર્તુળ નથી પૂરું થતું. હર ક્ષણે કંપાસની તીણી અણી ભોકાય છે. ચાલ સંબંધોનું કોઈ કોણ માપક શોધીએ કે હૃદયને કેટલા અંશો સુધી છેદાય છે. આરઝુના કાટખૂણે જિંદગી તૂટી પડે ને પછી એ મોતના બિંદુ સુધી લંબાય છે. બે સમાંતર રેખાની વચ્ચે હું અવકાશ છું. શૂન્યતાની સાંકળો મારા વડે બંધાય છે. લંબચોરસ ઓરડામાં એક સમય ઘૂંટાય છે.
You might have heard about learning disability, dyslexia and dyscalculia. Dyslexia is a challenge where children find difficulty in reading and might be confused with letters such as B, D, P, Q and so on. And dyscalculia is a challenge where children find difficulty with numbers and they might be confused with numbers such as 3, 6, 9, 8 and so on.
Nilken, what are the whole numbers?
Whole number 0, 6, 8, 9.
What about 10?
10 half whole.
How come half whole?
So one doesn't have any hole.
Sapna, come, add the numbers. Take the chalk, please. Give me the chalk, please. Now subtract. Sapna, take the chalk, please. Come on, do it. Now multiply. Sapna, take the chalk, please. Come on. Now divide this number. Sapna, take the chalk, please. Divide this number. Sapna, thank you. Go to your place.
I have a poem on dyslexia. I am stupid. Nobody would ever say. I have a talent for words. I was meant to be great. That is wrong. I am a failure. Nobody could ever convince me to think that I can make it in life.
Now let's read this poem from bottom line to the top line and see what it makes the change. I can make it in life. Nobody could ever convince me to think that I am a failure. That is wrong. I was meant to be great. I have a talent for words. Nobody would ever say me that I am stupid.
This poem, aptly called Dyslexia, points a downtrodden picture when you read it from top to bottom, but it strikes a much more empowering tone when you read from the bottom line to the top. We as educators always try to find strategies that rewire the brain and make the learning easier, right? Getting the right support can help them thrive in school, work, and everyday life. No matter how difficult, which problems you may face in maths, here is a complete team which will make impossible things possible.
Dear God, take my gift to the next power and divide the sea for me to walk into your promise.
My love for my students is like a circle. It has no sides to be broken and no angles to be measured.
As educators, we are always on the hunt for ways to engage our students. What about maths dance? Can we have dance in maths? Let's see that. Let's not ignore the importance of reaching all the teaching and learning styles.
Y is equal to X and Y is equal to minus X.
Y is equal to x squared, y is equal to x cubed.
Y is equal to modulus x. Y is equal to minus modulus
X squared plus y squared is equal to x